Hello everyone, welcome to Bollywood Bubble. And your
Hi.
new film, Khuda Hafiz, is scheduled to release on 14th of August on Disney Plus Hotstar. So please tell us about the film and how did it happen? How did you guys become a part of it?
I think the creator Farooq, go for it.
No, this question is for all of us.
Yeah, for everyone.
Alright, you start with
Okay,
you're the one who started.
nothing. I mean, as they classically say, it all starts with the first word, the writing, and the idea. So once the idea came, it was a research of 3 months, a writing process of about 9.5 months, and then I first connected with Kumarji and Abhishek.
Mhm.
And they both liked the film right in the first narration, right in the first instance.
Mhm.
And वहाँ से एक कड़ी से दूसरी कड़ी जुड़ने लगी. Then Vidyut came on board. Once Vidyut, and so basically once the actor, the producer, and the director are there together on the same page, वो बोलते हैं ना, त्रिमूर्ति हमारी complete हो चुकी थी.
Mhm.
And so from there on, then it's a process. Abhishek can elaborate. Vidyut can talk about it.
I think I'll add something to it. I remember I was shooting some film that time, and Farooq called me. I knew Farooq since 2006, I think. You were chasing John there. And one day Farooq called me, कि कहाँ पे हो? मैं ऑफिस में हूँ. Then he like, I'll come and see you for some time. I want to narrate you something. मतलब what is script ना? मतलब इससे 5-10 मिनट चाहिए मेरे को. मतलब ठीक है, आ जा यार, कभी भी आ जाओ. Farooq came to my office and he actually narrated me literally 5-6 मिनट. Farooq,
Yeah. I just teased you.
5-6 मिनट का एक सीन सुनाया, टीज किया, and I like यार ये तो करनी पड़ेगी. ये तो मैं जाने दूंगा कहीं पे. Then I straight away told that this is something which I heard. I think it's a fabulous story and I have to do it. And I think उसके बाद narration चालू हुआ, and then finally the whole thing got its shape right now. But that 5 minute which he convinced me were outstanding. Like I've not seen someone coming with that confidence. 5 मिनट चाहिए और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. So he came actually narrate only 5 to 7 minutes. 5 मिनट क्या narrate करेगा आदमी मुझे? And then he got me hooked on this film straight away from there. Yeah, now we all are part of it.
Okay. And Vidyut and Shivalika, what roles do you play in the film? If you could detail out your characters a bit for us.
So the movie is a true story, and it's been inspired by true incidents. It's a story of these young couple that got married during the recession around 2008, and how during the recession everybody lost their jobs, and so did they. And they looked for some jobs outside the country in the Gulf, and they both got a job. And finally, the wife went a day or two before the man did, and उसके बाद उसकी बीवी का कोई अता पता नहीं था. So the whole journey of this character called Sameer to get his wife back, Nargis, is basically the story of it. And the journey is quite incredible because it's a journey where anybody would do anything for love, yeah? And how far you could go for it is what the theme of the movie.
And Shivalika, how about you?
Same story है, वो कौन सी अलग कहानी बताएगी?
मैं भी अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में बात करने वाली yeah, so my character, if you're going to see, is a very, very relatable character. When I heard the brief from Farooq sir, I fell in love with the character, and I actually thought that I need to audition for this, and I need to get this because I want to do it so bad. And I remember even telling Abhishek when I met him that the brief is only so amazing that I want to be a part of this. And I gave auditions, I gave look tests, and so that's how this character came to me. It's a very simple middle-class girl from Lucknow who doesn't really talk too much. Nazakat hai, tehzeeb hai, जैसे फारूक साहब बोलते हैं. He actually had to get me completely toned down because the way I'm very, very, very bubbly, and Farooq sir had to tweak me a lot to get me into that character. So yeah, whatever you see on screen is सब लोग की मेहनत.
Okay. And how did you approach your character? How did you prep for it?
So when I got the entire script, I had about 20 days to prepare for it till I got on shoot. I have a habit that I actually write down all my characteristics behind the script. So I started off with that. I used to read all the scenes every day. I used to allot at least 1 hour of the day to the script. And Baki, I used to ask a lot of questions to Farooq sir. Farooq sir definitely told me keep it as real and relatable as possible. And that's what I kind of tried to implement in this character.
Okay. And Vidyut, how about you? How did you approach your character? Was it something? Yeah, please go ahead. I'm sorry.
Yeah, real life incident है. So जो director है Farooq, he's done like a great research on everything from the incident to how the man must have felt, what the woman would have gone through. So for us as actors, it was not that difficult because he knew everything that he wanted. जैसे अभी शिवालिका ने बोला कि वो चाहते थे कि शिवालिका में नजाकत हो, बिकॉज जो हकीकत की लड़की है वो कभी लखनऊ से सॉरी जहाँ पे भी थी वो हैदराबाद की थी मेरे ख्याल से, वहां से कभी बाहर गई नहीं, so exposure कम था. And Shivalika is somebody who's traveled and seen the world, so he had to work on her. Then this guy that I portray, Sameer, has never got into a fight, or he's a simple engineer. So एक आदमी की जर्नी है जिसने कभी लड़ाई भी नहीं की हो, मगर लड़ने की ऐसी समस्या आ जाए जहाँ पे आपको लड़ना ही है. So the journey was quite incredible, and all credit to the director. He's done a great research on it.
Okay. And talking about the research, Farooq, what was that moment of epiphany when this idea came to you, and how did it take up the shape? As in, how many drafts were written before it was finally logged?
Yeah. So honestly speaking, there was no epiphany in this case, simply because it was a newspaper article that I had read, which had impacted me a lot the minute I had read that article. After having read that article, I remember that moment very clearly. I just silently sat for, I think, a long time. And everything just started playing out in my mind. So I knew that the story that I had read, it was basically one article in the newspaper, but somehow when I saw the article, I could see the whole film there also at the same time, because it emotionally bounded me. So ever since I started writing the screenplay, I wrote right on top of it based on a true love story, so that I never forget my path in the writing process, that finally love is the core emotion, and it's going to be an emotionally charged thriller. There are thrillers, there are revenge dramas, there are thrillers of all kinds. But like Vidyut actually interestingly put it in an interesting way yesterday, is that you do see a lot of real life stories, stories of sports dramas, army people, etc., etc. But you very rarely see a film based on a true life love story.
Yeah,
I think that also is slightly the defining factor here. That it feels a little different, so to speak, from other real life stories. But this was the 9th draft. I wrote 9 drafts. Finally, I wrote for about 9.5 months, and then before going to shoot another final kind of draft. So 9 drafts. It was the 9th draft that we shot, actually.
Okay. And talking about the themes, from what I have gauged from the trailer, is that there are themes about romance, and then there's of course action and thriller. So as themes, they are very outwardly from each other. They are not something that fall in the same bracket. So how did you maintain that balance, that fine balance between these three, and also the concept of recession that's there in the film?
Again, like I said, the writing process, everybody talks कि script अच्छी होनी चाहिए, script अच्छी नहीं चाहिए, but वो अच्छी script लिखने के लिए भी 8-9 महीने लग जाते हैं. So I guess writing is rewriting. जब तक आप proper सुर नहीं ढूंढ लेते हैं, तब तक आप अपनी script को refine करते रहते हैं. And फिर एक point पे आप कहते हो कि now my conviction is set on this. Now I'm not going to overwrite it either. So the idea was to just write it honestly, and see, I feel like you should tell stories that you want to tell, but you should write the screenplay for the audience.
Yeah.
Because finally they have to be engaged and entertained with this. So as simple as that, really.
Okay. And Abhishek, since you spoke about Farooq narrating the entire concept to you within 5 minutes, and he was very confident about it. So what was that one thing about this script and this film that made you extend your support as a producer to it?
I think the whole the feeling of the character where he doesn't know where the wife is gone, and whole idea of being in a country where you don't know the person, you don't know anyone, you don't know the country, and the guy has to go and find someone. I think that itself, that 1 5-minute narration took me away. Ye to karna hi padega. The whole journey would be amazing. The whole scenario created around the thing. Something which I wanted to tell, as you said, story something which you want to tell, and then a screenplay something which I think is absolutely right about that. The story itself is very powerful itself. यार एक character कहानी है जो जाना है उसको ढूंढ के लेके आना है. थोड़ा अलग है, कभी किया नहीं हमने यहाँ पे, हम वी आर नॉट सीन इन इंडस्ट्री, बट कुछ नयापन लेके आया था. That's why I just chose the subject right away. There was not second meeting on that, I think. It was right in that one meeting which we had, and we had said we'll do this film.
So I think Abhishek had the same reaction that I had to the newspaper article in that sense, you know. Like, I think it was the same impact for both of us. Like, he's saying, how in an alien country where you do not understand the language, you don't know anybody, how does this normal man, you know, a person like Abhishek and me, if we are in this situation, or Akshay, if you're in this situation, you know, what would you do? So that relatability was always there, I think. And then I think Abhishek and me and Kumarji also were also very clear कि इसको बड़ी honestly कहते हैं इस film को. मतलब इसको let's not you know, adulterate it or pollute it with any other commercial compulsion, so to speak.
Okay. And Vidyut, since you have ventured out into the romantic territory in this film, and also there's a lot of action. So how did you like switch between the two? Because there are two layers from what I can see. One is the inner layer of love and romance. The motive is the love, and then of course there's action. So how did you switch between these two extremes as far as this film is concerned?
नहीं यार, extremes तो नहीं है. They both are quite interconnecting. अगर आपको बहुत प्यार होगा तभी आप उस प्यार के लिए लड़ने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं यार. नॉर्मली आप किसी को ज्यादा जानते नहीं है तो आप उसके लिए जान देते नहीं है यार, या जान अपनी बाजी पे लगाते नहीं है. They're quite interrelated, and that's a new territory for me because the action is quite heavy. The romance is like an imperative part of the movie. Normally action hota hai. Or so it's quite exciting to play something with. It's quite exciting to play a man who will like do anything for love. Yeah. And मजे आ गए play करके.
Okay. And you know, love, since we are talking about it, it's a very complex emotion. You know, it's something that triggers a lot of related emotions to it. Yeah, I mean, in the broader sense, since you spoke of that, you know, a person can fight for love. So in that sense, what psychological challenges did you face, you know, while portraying this character? Because for the action, I mean, you're good at it. It's a known fact. But when it comes to romance, what challenges psychologically did you face in particular?
यार सीन क्या है कि जो एक्शन में ट्रेंड होते हैं ना, तो जब वो एक्शन करते हैं तो ऐसा थोड़ी है कि घर जाके भी सबसे लड़ाई करते रहते हैं. वो इमोशन लेके जाते नहीं है. जी. Similarly, romance, and it's a very difficult character to play because this guy is in deep trauma throughout. Like जब मैं सुबह सेट पे आता था, जैसे भी जब मैं सेट पे पहुंचता था, उसके बाद मेरी दुनिया डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाती थी. मैं कहाँ से आ रहा हूँ. तब यहाँ तो मुझे शिवालिका दिखती थी जिसको मैं नॉर्मली हेलो भी नहीं करता था because I can't relate to her in the movie. And thankfully the director was quite kind. मतलब कुछ एक नॉर्मल एटिकेट्स थे वो हम लोगों ने सेट पे काट दिए थे कि हेलो आए कैसे हो वो सब छोड़ दिया. बट जब भी शूटिंग खत्म होती थी यार, देयर वाज अ ग्रेट बर्डन बिकॉज़ आई हैव क्राइड, आई हैव लुक्ड फॉर माय वाइफ, आई हैव फॉट फॉर माय वाइफ. उसके बाद हम लोग वापस जाते थे और हम लोग बहुत मस्ती करते थे. सो व्हेन आई हैव हर्ड एक्टर्स से कि आई हैव लिव्ड विद द कैरेक्टर फॉर 3 महीने और ट्रॉमा हो गया, वो मुझे पता नहीं. तो दिस इज व्हाट आई डिड यार. लाइक ऑन द सेट आई वाज बीइंग द कैरेक्टर दैट आई एम, Sameer. And when I went back, I had to like be with you, with Shivalika or with Farooq or with Abhishek.
Okay, but I must say something here, especially about Vidyut and the journey of Sameer, is that I feel like as much as Vidyut has given him own self to Sameer, I feel there is a little bit of Sameer that he's also taken back with him. I don't know. I see a very distinct yet subtle change in Vidyut from the time I met him till after Sameer, and only he knows what that change is. I can't articulate that.
Okay. So talking about that, what was your biggest takeaway from this film with you?
For me?
Yeah.
Abhishek, मेरा जिगरी दोस्त बन गया वो. इससे अच्छा takeaway क्या होगा यार?
Okay. And Shivalika, since Vidyut spoke about, you know, immediately switching off once the camera stops rolling. So was it the same with you? Like, were you also into switch on, switch off mode?
Definitely, emotional scenes took a lot. During emotional scenes, everybody gave each other their spaces. I remember वो जो trailer में जो हाथ छूटने वाला scene है, that entire scene was technically difficult. Was difficult for everybody. Like everybody was in stress during that day. We had a very, very tough emotional scene. So everybody, we were actually shooting in like a 3-foot corridor. with 50 people. So it was quite tough. It was a very emotional scene. I was crying, no makeup, and बहुत कुछ elements थे उसमें, लेकिन everybody gave each other their spaces. And comparatively, if you go to see lighter scenes, then I used to switch off very easily, and then Sir used to say, Shivalika, nazakat. Then I used to come back. That is the only thing.
And Abhishek, since you spoke that there were lot of commercial tropes involved here. So what inputs did you give? Creative inputs did you give?
I can hear you.
Is it audible?
Yeah, I can hear that.
Okay. So since you spoke that there were a lot of commercial tropes involved in this script. So from your side as a producer, what creative inputs did you render to this script or this film?
Yeah, I don't believe to put anything external which doesn't require a script. Like script में अगर कुछ है inherently है, like commercial element. I am not a producer who will put कि यार इसमें गाने डाल दो या इसमें इसको ऐसा बड़ा कर दो. I think film should live on what script is demanding. So just वैसे लिखी थी वैसे यार I'm not sure. I think a single commercial element ever in any of film, even Khuda Hafiz. Because I think
Akshay, पता है क्या होता है क्या? Sorry, Abhishek, I'll just take little bit from here. See, Abhishek, as a producer, as a director also, he's himself a director.
Yeah.
He's got an advantage of being a young guy. I have an advantage of having Farooq Kabir as a young director. So the team of a producer and director, जो दोनों young हो ना यार, जो दोनों cinema अच्छी तरह समझते हैं. So like Abhishek is saying, sorry Abhishek, I took it from there because I've been witnessing it. So यार यहाँ पे ना वो creative input नहीं, ये लोग reality के बहुत पास घूमे हैं, जो बहुत सही चीज रही है. नहीं तो normally क्या होता है, अगर कोई like if somebody is not a young producer or a young director, they start thinking अरे ये चलेगा वो चलेगा. यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं था, यहाँ पे ये हो रहा है, ये चल रहा था इनका.
Yeah, also, I think the first thing which I believe, and even Farooq believed, is story, and then comes screenplay. And if you don't believe in it, then there's no point making it.
Yeah.
You only make a film because you believe is screenplay कड़क है, किसी को बनाना है. तो अगर इसमें आप चीजें ऐड करोगे, changes करोगे, फिर वो खराब हो जाती है मेरा मानना. So even also when you make a film with a director or the technician you're working with, actor you're working with, you have to believe in them. So in fact, मैं तो shoot पे भी इनके पास गया नहीं, मेरे यहाँ पे shoot चालू किया. I believe it will be like done. I know Farooq is there, Vijay, Shivalika, the technician I knew. So somehow you have to believe in the people who are making the script, and let's not give too much input which might damage. It's a one-man vision, I think, and you have to believe in that somewhere. If you believe in it, then you should be directing the film, not producing the film, I think.
Okay. And Disney Plus Hotstar, they made an announcement about all their upcoming releases. And despite being a part of their lineup, Khuda Hafiz was somehow not extended a formal invite, for which Vidyut you also expressed your displeasure on social media. So I would want to know what really happened there. Was there some sort of miscommunication, or was there some other issue?
मैंने तो बयां कर दिया जो मुझे लगा, अब अभिषेक बताएगा.
I think इसमें कुछ था नहीं, वो हो गया, वो बात खत्म हो चुकी है. I think there's no point again talking about it. Right now we are 1 week away from the release, I think, and even we are excited, and even Disney are excited as we are. So I think it's a team collaboration working on the film to make it reach its audience. I think we will be there for everyone. I think they'll be looking out for us on Disney Hotstar. I think we all together, right? So there's nothing like that in fact.
Okay.
छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, नए दौर में लिखेंगे फिर नई कहानी.
True. And lastly, I've learned that this film was shot in some of the very harsh conditions. So, what major challenges, did you face while filming this one? This question is for everyone.
कितनी दिक्कत हुई तुम्हें बताओ.
No, yeah, I think it was, but like Abhishek said, we all came together. I think क्या हुआ है that God has been kind ना, जितने भी लोग we've come together on this film ना, सबकी energies और wavelength match हुई है. And it's very important to work with people you are comfortable being around,
Yeah.
कोई भी किसी को झेलना नहीं चाहता है creative process में. Everybody wants encouragement and involvement rather than interference, so to speak. So to begin with, thankfully, Abhishek, myself, Kumarji, Vidyut, we've all kind of trusted each other. That's been one beautiful thing that's happened. But conditions have been very harsh. We've shot in -6 degrees. One day I woke up in the morning, I saw the temperature, it was -18 degrees. For the actors, it's been especially tough. For people like Vidyut, Anuji, Shivalika, sometimes in -6 degrees. We want to show summers in the film. So while the temperature was -6 degrees, it was not snowing and the sun was out.
Mhm.
So you on screen can't see it,
Yeah.
but they could not even wear inners. So on that level, and we were shooting in locations where there were no network, where there were no toilets. We were shooting in a country where people don't necessarily speak English. It's not the most shooting happening country in the world.
Mhm.
So there were lots of challenges, but I think as a team, all is well that ends well. We all came together to kind of make it happen.
Okay.
Shivalika, Vidyut can talk
If you could-
about their challenges.
If you would like to add up to it.
I have the same things. I think everybody's passion just like matched. Everybody, like from the lightmen to the entire cast and the crew, everybody felt very truly for the script and for the film. I think that's what kept everybody together.
So with that, we have reached the end of our conversation. I would like to know if there's something that I may have missed to ask and you would have loved to answer, everyone.
No, I would just...
Fitness tips रह गई यार.
तो दे दीजिए.
फोन करना बाद में दूंगा. उनको पता लग जाएगा नहीं तो सब कुछ.
Okay, wonderful. Farooq, you were saying something.
No, I just wanted to know what is... I just thought that Vidyut and Shivalika should mention what do they expect their fans or the people to expect in Khuda Hafiz, like,
बताओ शिवालिका क्या बोल रही हो अपने फैंस को, तुम बोलो यार कुछ.
They should expect love, emotions, action, and love proving how far can love go. In this film, I think all emotions are there. I think Vidyut had mentioned comedy है क्या question mark. तो मैंने उसके लिए भी बोला था कि वो offset बहुत हो गई थी. So there is everything in the film that you would want to watch, and lockdown hai, so there are no reasons that you should not watch it. So go watch it on the 14th of August on Disney Plus Hotstar VIP. Baki Vidyut will answer the same question.
नहीं मतलब घर पे बैठे बैठे पिक्चर देखने के लिए मिल रहा है, अब इनके लिए वो भी कंपेल करना पड़ेगा. You love it, yeah. I'm glad that, honestly, Abhishek, I was just telling somebody that I'm so happy that now we are not dependent on critics. कि तुम्हें French खाना पसंद है, Italian खाना पसंद है. Now people can just sit at home, watch it and decide whether they like it. 5 minutes and you'll be glued.
Okay. So on that note, thank you so much for talking to us, and it was a pleasure to have you all on board.
Thank you.
Abhishek, रुक तेरे को फोन कर रहा हूँ मैं.
And all the best for Khuda Hafiz on 14th August. Yeah, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.